All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming to you with a very controversial issue happening in Takoradi. It is about the cancellation of the Made in Taadi concert, and the people of Takoradi have reacted to the cancellation of the concert. First of all, I'm going to walk you through the statement which indicated the cancellation of the concert. First, the statement has been signed by the PRO of Team Move, which is Kofi Kinaata's PRO, Nana Kwesi Kumsen. And then according to the headline, or according to the heading of the statement, it goes like, update on Kofi Kinaata's annual Made in Taadi concert. And it reads, multiple award-winning artist Kofi Kinaata and the Team Move management regretfully announced that this year's Made in Taadi concert and all its related events have been called off due to circumstances beyond our control. Regardless, Kofi Kinaata will still spend quality time with fans as he has been booked on a number of events across the country during the Yuletide. Though this year's Made in Taadi concert has been called off, Sekondi Takoradi remains your favorite Christmas destination, and as such, we encourage all Ghanaians to visit the Twin City during this Yuletide. Any inconvenience caused is deeply regretted. Still, we move. That is the statement, and so it has generated some level of controversy. When I read through this, I get the understanding that, of course, there is a circumstance beyond their control, and then that is the basis why the concert is not coming on. Meanwhile, he is equally going to spend quality time with his fans as he has been booked on a number of events across the country. So it means on the same December, Kofi Kinaata is having overflow of shows. So at this point in time, we're going to say that Kofi Kinaata needed to make a choice between playing the Made in Taadi concert, which I don't know about that circumstances, which is beyond his control, as to whether it is a sponsorship challenge, a financial challenge, or a matter of looking for a venue. Of course, you know that the usual venue which we used to do the concert was the Jubilee Grounds. As we speak now, because of reconstruction of Market Circle, that venue is not available. Of course, I'm hearing about the fact that the TTU venue is also becoming a challenge because they are doing some upgrade on the pitch with regards to AstroTurf. Yes, so I clearly see a challenge with venue, and then probably a challenge with sponsorship. These are things that I am thinking. This is my personal opinion. And then beyond that, he's also faced with possibilities of shows. As he said in a press release, there are a lot of shows which his fans will equally get opportunity to interact with him. And so, I mean, money is available. We have to go make the money. There are few challenges with regards to the Made in Taadi concert, from my opinion, a matter of sponsorship and then a matter of venue. So maybe Kofi Kinaata chose that option. Well, the general public have also reacted to the cancellation of the concert, and then I had this interaction with my listeners on the Chimu Nsem on Spice 91.9, and this is what they had to say. For those of you who don't appreciate the local language, this is going to be a tough one for you, but take a listen first and then let's see how it goes.
Hi guys, my name is Adina Tembi, and I want you to subscribe to Kwame Ofe exclusive on YouTube. Stay tuned. Alright.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, but you want to get in. All right, you have to come into you. Why?
But to do this, I cannot touch the phone that you can only way.
Okay. It's a Kofi Kinaata mamunya we say sponsorship a 1 city crab betua na modi aboaro meboa. That's it. Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning. What are you getting?
Homeboy.
Homeboy. All right. Homeboy into you.
Kofi Kinaata showed up when Made in Taadi. I had a Takoradi win. Also more Taadi. You know the group. Made in Taadi, they so they are and they go boutique now. They know what I am. I mean, they go boutique. One boy, go boutique. What are those time? Mansion. Go play. What are? I don't know. Or Jawuri. Mad no idea. If you are able to compare Kofi Kinaata, the military no for now.
Sisi ano Kofi se December no private shows when you saw Bebono. Say a doson enti wetu aseda, but ye ready in between the lines. I who say sika semina hard jeni kakra. Enti sisi ano onya obeye na sika semi is your bed.
Dida nke ogo la ya twin tam nke yitma afọ kara mo be ya no kuku ya twin dero ija je be na mtami si yitu ya wo kuku ya abo na adin so akodo ai da masa wo ma takwa so idinu kosot but ogo ni free you anje she and so ma wo so ni jeba ko ti bo onimnu o no ani ntu Takoradi around Kofi Kinaata.
Okay.
So my so almost tumpon.
All right. Yeah, that's it. We are near Takoradi for work. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Atuma Hama.
Okay, Atuma Hama, you.
That's it. Let me hear how you do Papa. Me better. Kofi Kinaata out there as young boy.
And one.
I look at you very Kami mu do risk
Diade.
So customer o go da no koda. O je do bi trade na. Once what on ade.
Yeah.
Nko fuka de da one ade.
Yeah.
Nko ske do ko. Ske ma no mega ke what on ko gwa. O de bi sin ko. O de bi sin egu. Ina yo MP ko kwa wa ade. It is so customer da kan mu da no ba. So ba manala kan no program na asa no do. Asa. If you are not a yes and I say, no good, you can move over.
Okay.
Internet, I'm not why in a big or damn.
All right. Atuma Hama, big thank you. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Maxwell Konyukum.
All right, Maxwell Konyukum, yeah, to you.
Why, yeah, Obiani, really drain to wine and so not to why. I will say what it. I will need the reason to wine. Talk at the for the wood to answer. I didn't talk at the for. What talking about this? Because Kinaata is about go made in Taadi. But one year, why now? You said that the venue, for one way, you know. I watch a man for 50 months, watch a man for 4 phones. And then one show, one kawasam. Upon what your phone and one kawasam chat. With the wine, I'm with the wine. Who one jama for phone. Then you do wine, now you pack on that way, market or you want to do back, stay away, you pack by market or. All
right. Yanko, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, but what is your name? Abigail. All right, Abigail, if you can get you, Abigail.
Oh, I didn't know my name. Now, 1 year, because the shunk of form of fat. Name, yes, I say, thank the useful hospital, mobile money before. Wọ́n ká bí bíkà kankan tó tó fún wa, àkà ní wọn kẹfẹ́ yẹ, but sẹ́dí òkè kan láti ṣe bí a, tó o sì náà dọ̀ fún àmà nọ. Lẹ́nu ibi sẹ́ o, Takoradi, tí a kọ́ sẹ́ yẹ bẹ́ kọ́. Yẹ́ nkọ́, ní adébí ẹ̀yẹ tí ebi àtàdé àkàtà náà ẹ̀ ń tẹ̀sẹ̀ bí yẹn ẹ̀. Yẹn tàn ká yẹ ìtì à, ìtọ́sí ọ̀yìn à, òyìnbá ẹ̀ nẹ́ next year mọ̀ nyàmé bá, náà wà pọ̀ntẹ̀rẹ̀ hard àmà yẹn. All
right, yeah, that's it. And I want to drink Spice 91.9. At the Chimu Sam go for Kofi Kinaata. At the annoy pa, but Sisi I'm in the PR no Eddie Nkomo. But Niamu Kebiano, make sure that Maria Mama Kinaata and Saka and Tinians on someone who can hear me. I said that a chat Namia Kofi Kinaata say Kofi T. Say at a Takoradi for no air card. What here we are now still no you're the best way near whom. What you say? What are your friend? I'm on someone who can hear and make sure, sir. The Amodi 2 and it will be a Kofi Kinaata bet me. We are mentioned the Chamano. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Samuel, good morning.
Good morning. What are you doing? Anaji, Yetiway, Kofi Kinaata, admitted in
Taadi.
Yes.
Last year, Kofi Kinaata made in Taadi.
COVID-19 no na niyama yi. Also, the last made in Taadi, the Polytechnic, first the Takoradi Technical University Park and so.
Okay. Let me tell you, Jubilee.
David, that's a Jubilee game. Market women, they take over a long time. Okay. All right. And what of
my man and on Cadano Pata.
Okay.
My man and then on Cadano Pata. Because I was given Nani who they take my any question any issue, my dear, only to me and see back. The question is, I don't know, I can't second one, I can't call a problem. Now, I didn't say I can call a people.
Okay.
But we share and I keep program near people around too.
Okay.
And I continue which is the center of all the communities and better.
Okay.
And so I give you a question.
All right.
And the man in the market, and yes, ready, and got the come on. The day of Jubilee.
Okay.
That you are center of town. Yes.
Right, what's with me about Robert Shawadine, made in Taadi, Kofi say bookings and a dorsal, and your fee, Yentia break a crack. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
yeah, good morning. How are you, Yanni?
Ivan Singh.
Okay, Ivan Singh.
It will be for Kenny, what your phones.
Yeah.
Me about Kofi Kinaata. There's a Kofi Kinaata. What's the phone? General phone. I'm okay. See, we can do with you.
That is a security, no. I see a meme.
Yeah. About your phones, no, and about you what to be with my baby after a year, and the guest is my time over there. I'm not near, I'm better because I'm the sound of a prayer. I don't know what your phones now, but over what I'm. Mr. Obi say ought to add on your income. If I know Paco income, no one could not the only one in pension program. In the light of in the input of operator, light work out, take the book out, you can work out. You can now to add a pack and pull you forward to tell when you come out. Why yet?
I see.
Now be program in income or work out. I want to do when you income or cannot want people. Now, my phone, maybe.
Okay, we don't care about security. The decision and all saying, all right, but that's it. Spice 91.9 at the Chimun some give you know and pay Wasugusua Wutido. Kofi Kinaata made in Taadi consent Emma so the basis and say our bookings every month of December no be every year or call a booking no but was also there too just mo ba Takoradi be di Christmas near the be nse kwan still Christmas no second Takoradi ya na wo nti momra. Hello, good morning. Yeah, one year name. All right, yenti way. Okasa no obi anse danti o bi wono na kasa danti
moya o de mumba na me di so yen odamonya
okay, se Kofi Kinaata the mobile money number be 2 bontin anka gofo betimi akwa sana aka
because okay kwa na Kofi complain say secretary na Kofi send ka
I see. Wow, interesting view. Big thank you. Spice 91.9. A bit of a Kofi Kinaata mobile money number. Na fei or the mobile money number to ja or mobile boa. That's right. That just Takoradi per day azana bado ewa kona biado made in Taadi no Kofi pedo will feel yehwe kakra beti media so ma yakọ miria mo voice mo nsem mo kenya mema Kofi Kinaata te mia metwa na me dia mane se Kofi sei na onkofo no eka nti ebi se 1 city kura na ebe boawo ebi se wo my mobile money yi number ebe boawo nti ebi mo adwene no ebi so se well ye ma ne mre na onkope kakra mra na aja venue no kura ne ade last time amanfo wi amanfo ne ade ti in fact bia wi market ne ade na ye nya Jubilee baka ene ma betimi ya kama we bia ya amanfo adwene kire ono ati bi na obetu wana mo a muni anso maso be den maso bete Spice 91.9. Yabrano, Edrano, second Takoradi for much made in Taadi concert. Okay, Mama Shadi. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, morning, Yanni.
But
what was the one?
One can take Kofi Kinaata there. One teaching government, no more teaching and private upon the one program.
That's what Kofi Kinaata then.
No, onshore private programs.
Onshore private programs, no.
Only treat Takoradi for the government.
Only treat Takoradi for onshore private scandal. Now, what can it be a crib?
No more
matters. Number say, what can it be a crib? Hey, hello, Menko, hello. Let's say, so what can it be a crack? Mobile money number, that one was a crack. The young Franco made in Taadi, a butcher crack. Okay. All right. Okay, so per what you listened, I will summarize it for you. Some of the listeners have the view that if Kofi Kinaata is challenged with resources, they are ready to help Kofi Kinaata to, raise some fund. Of course, they are ready to pay the 1 Ghana cedis, the 2 Ghana cedis, in case Kofi Kinaata wants them to pay some amount of money. Some are also of the view that, well, Kofi Kinaata should just put some more contact out there and they're ready to equally contribute. Some are also saying that, last year they had challenges with security. That is, some had their phone being stolen and then all that. So if it is not coming on, it's not coming on. Some are also saying that Kofi Kinaata also needs to raise revenue for himself. And so if he feels that this time things are not all that well, he has to be given time to raise money for himself and then come up bigger. So these are diverse opinion people are, but you realize that people really want this to come on. And of course, they are ready to contribute in case Kofi Kinaata gives them the opportunity for them to contribute. So for those who couldn't appreciate the funny interaction I had with the folks, this is what is happening. Atasa, Ayon, Kofi Kinaata, Nasam Kakribia Wabanija, is Hunko Kra, and Zawa and Tassano. No concert no cancel no concert na cancel na friend concert na or cancel no on wama a take for a show on adwene nti bi no rususu de Kofi Kinaata on fa concert number back na sika simple why a problem we contribute 1 city 2 city 2 city problem we contribute na de onya sebo bia na ebi no so kade last year security seminar de o moti and there and in fact urban security so e do timi mi na de ebi so chere say ndi na bi esikenyu a yema no kwano mbo no ho na sika no ondor kakra na yema no kwano ntumi nyeden onye concert no nti kasaro kore bore banini in fact man confre kenyi call your first exclusive we'll keep bringing you the latest. Big thank you and thanks for listening.
And you're another from Adina. And this December, the place to be is Takoradi. Trust me, I'm definitely trying the masquerade, anchors thing. I really want to be a part of it, and you guys need to come through. Okay, so make sure you come and let's have a good time on the streets of Taadi. December in Takoradi. That's the one.